I am so proud to be alive at a time when there are black men with the kind of vision and courage as Reverend Al has. Because it takes courage. It takes tremendous courage. Because as I've said before, and I will say again, manhood is a very delicate and precious commodity among black people. You understand? Because we were not permitted to be men for the first several hundred years here. I want to urge all of you to rally the family. Yeah? Because I bet dollars to donuts that all of you know an uncle or a cousin or maybe a son or daughter.
Or maybe you.
That's right. Hi there. Who are same gender loving. And some of you are old enough to remember the term passing. You remember the term passing? That was back in the day when, because of the mixing of the pools, black and white, some of us were born, they used to say light, bright, and damn near white, and opted because it was so hellish trying to be a black man or woman in America, they passed for white. Y'all familiar with that? Y'all remember that? Well, right now, today, in our communities, among us, there are many of us, black men and women, passing as heterosexual because we don't feel safe being amongst our own families. And we have to muster the courage as a community to face down our fears about the resurrection of black manhood so that we can all function cohesively together on all of the issues that impact us as a community. Yes? Does that make sense?
All right.
All right.